Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name. So for this, obviously, first of all, you have to open up the Facebook application on your mobile. And now from here, you have to tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner and then scroll down. You will see this settings and privacy. Click on it. And now just go for settings. And now from here, you have to tap on this personal information. You will see this option name. So just click on this name and you can see this is my name. So if I want to change my name now, you can see this note. If you change your name on Facebook, you can change it in again for 60 days. So if I change my name here, so you can see that I have changed my name Urdu to English. And now if I tap on this review change, so you can see this. To save this setting, please enter your Facebook password. So I have to enter my password here. And after entering the password, you just have to tap on this save changes. And you can see that my name has been changed. If I go to my profile now, you can see that my name has been changed from Abu Huraira to Huraira Wahid. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.